The Antishock chainsaw lanyard from Teufelberger is another innovation for arborists. What makes this lanyard for tools so special is how it absorbs forces. In the event that more than 2 kilonewtons of force on the lanyard, for example if your saw gets stuck in a branch you're trying to cut off, then the tearaway webbing will be activated. This product therefore prevents from injury. If the saw does not come unstuck again, the webbing will tear open completely after 70 centimeters and the tool will drop to the ground. Due to a special treatment of the yarns, the elastic webbing is exceptionally abrasion resistant.